I have grown up eating this cake and it's one of my favorite tea time cake. Moist, delicious and looks so pretty dotted with some sweet tutti frutti. So today I am going to show you how to make tutti frutti cake, a popular Indian cake loved by kids and adults alike. You can flavor this cake with pineapple essence to mimic the taste of Britannia fruit cake. So let's see the process. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a medium mixing bowl, add half cup unsalted softened butter. Beat on medium-high speed until light and creamy. Now gradually add 3/4 cup castor sugar. Beat on medium-high heat until creamy. Next add 3 eggs, one at a time. Continue beating on medium-high heat. Now sift 1 cup maida with 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now sieve and mix well. And to this I am adding 1/4 cup milk. Mix well until lumps disappear. And now I am going to add the main ingredient, half cup tutti frutti. Mix it nicely. At this point, you can also add 1/4 teaspoon pineapple essence. Fold in the batter gently. Now grease the pan with butter and place it the butter paper. Now transfer the batter to the prepared baking tin. Now tap it twice. Now bake in the middle rack for about 35 to 40 minutes. And now the cake is ready. Cool the cake on a rack in the tin for half an hour, then remove from the tin and cool on the rack completely. And next, remove the butter paper. And now slice and serve. Soft and moist tutti frutti cake is ready. This fruit cake recipe is very easy to make and the outcome is super moist cake studded with tutti frutti. The cake turned out amazingly moist and delicious. I enjoyed a slice of this pretty cake. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with your family and friends and follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. Subscribe to our channel and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you soon with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.